Hello, this is Steve Lewis. This is with a video extra for you guys. This is not one of our site videos that we're doing, but we are at Galveston Island, Texas, and we wanted to tell you a little bit about our RV and what we're traveling in. So, I'm Steve, this is my wife Deanna.
Good morning. That's all I'm saying. Hey Russell, that's for you. That's all I'm saying.
Yeah, she's drunk. But anyway, this is my RV behind me. So that's a Jayco 32-foot RV, and I'm going to show you a little bit about what we're traveling in. We are smoking a tenderloin right now, pork tenderloin, in our Traeger smoker right here. So it's smoking for about 6 hours today. So anyway, hopefully it'll be nice and delicious when it gets ready. So I wanted to show you that we have 3 slide outs. This is one of them. It's our dining room slide out there that you can see. We keep a map of the United States and the states that we've traveled in so far. Let me show you what's inside. My bicycle that I traveled in about 20 miles yesterday. Okay, go up the steps. And you can see behind me is the cockpit area with the driver's seat and the passenger seat, where Deanna chastises me for following too close behind people and not being in the right lane. So, something you got to deal with. So anyway, you can see that we have an area here for the dining room. We have a dining room table and 2 settees and a 50-inch TV that comes up out of the wall when we want it to. Here we have 2 recliners that are, they have heat and they have massage inside the recliners, so that helps us relax at night and be able to watch TV in peace. The kitchen area is back there with a stove, and we have a microwave, convection oven, and other stuff to cook food in. So we have lots of storage in here. So anyway, as we walk back, we have the thing I really like is we have whoops, see if we can get it here. There we go. We have a residential refrigerator and freezer. We have 2 doors that opens up side by side for refrigerator and freezer. So we have plenty of storage space for our cooling needs. The shower is here. It's a nice size shower. We have plenty of room to take a shower in there. And then the bathroom. You can see in there we have the toilet, and we have lots of storage space in the cabinets and our sink. So we have lots of room in there as well. Our bedroom, we have a king-size bed, lots of storage above the bed, windows, and then as you go around, we have lots of storage space here. We have double cabinets with hanging space for our clothing, as well as storage space down below in drawers and cabinets. So basically, I didn't want to make this too long, but we do have solar panels on top of the RV as well, so we can supply 18 amps of recharging ability to our batteries, which are AGM batteries, absorbed glass mat batteries, for those of you who know. And so when we're hooked up to a pedestal, it supplies us power and everything else, water and everything else. We don't use them. But when we're boondocking out in the desert or whatever, we can use them to supply our power, so we don't need to hook up to electricity. So anyway, if you got any individual questions, please give me a call and let me know, and I'll be glad to talk to you then. Good luck. See you later. Bye.